Wake up in the morning, time to rise, stretch out, open my eyes.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's March, which means it's National Nutrition Month. But today, we aren't just fueling with food, we're fueling with movement. Our focus is the power of 1%. You don't need an hour at the gym to see a change. You just need small, daily wins. We're going to spend 15 minutes to feed your muscles and joints exactly what they need to stay strong and mobile. No equipment, no stress, just better form and deeper breathing. If you're over 45 and ready to feel better, one small step at a time, grab a sturdy chair, sit up tall, and let's get our 1% win for the day. Ready? Let's go. Sit comfortably in your chair and closer to the center. Rest the palms of your hands on your thighs, feet flat on the floor and hip width apart. Ensure your spine is long and your shoulders are relaxed. Take a moment to settle in and bring your awareness to your breath. Take a few deep and gentle breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can close your eyes or soften your gaze. Breathing calms the nervous system and increases oxygen through the body. Slowly begin to open your eyes if they were closed. Relax and breathe normally. Now let's connect breath with movement by adding shoulder rolls. Gently roll your shoulders up towards your ears, back and down. Make large circular movements. Inhale as the shoulders go up, and exhale as they roll back. Now let's come back to center and reverse in other direction. Inhale as your shoulders go up, and exhale as they roll forward, making a complete circle. This movement warms up the shoulder joints, improves circulation in the upper body, and releases tension in the neck and shoulders. Now let's come back to center and relax. Our next exercise is bicep curl. Extend your arms down by your sides, palm facing forward. On an inhale, slowly bend your elbows. Bring your hands up towards your shoulders as if you were holding light weights. Exhale, slowly lower your hands back down to the starting position, feeling the resistance. Keep your movement controlled and smooth. Focus on the sensation in your biceps. Squeeze your biceps at the top and lower with control. These movements strengthen the upper front of the arm. The biceps are essential for everyday activities like lifting groceries and picking up objects. On the next exhale, relax and come back to center. The next exercise is overhead arm press, which focuses on strengthening the shoulders and back of the arms or triceps. Bring your arms up so your elbows are bent at 90 degrees, palms facing forward. Inhale, slowly extend your arms straight up and toward the ceiling, reaching through your fingertips. Exhale, slowly lower your palms back down to the starting point maintaining control. Only reach as high as comfortable for your shoulders. Keep your shoulders relaxed and avoid shrugging. Keep your core gently engaged to support your back. Overhead arm press strengthens the arms and shoulders to improve overhead reaches and functional strength. On the next exhale, lower your arms, relax, and come back to center. Next, we'll do seated hip arches to work on the lower body. Place the palms of your hand on your thighs or gently hold the seat of the chair. On an inhale, lift one knee up towards your chest, just a few inches off the floor. Exhale, gently lower the foot back down. Inhale, lift the other knee. Exhale, lower it down. Continue to alternate legs, mimicking a gentle march. You can pick up the pace slightly if that feels good, or keep it slow and deliberate. Engage your abdominal muscles to help lift your legs. Keep your upper body still. Hip marches activate the hip flexors and abdominal muscles, improving lower body circulation and core stability. Continue to march for a few more seconds. Now plant both feet firmly on the floor and let's prepare for the next exercise. The next exercise is seated torso twist to enhance core strength. Sit tall, feet flat on the floor. Place your hands gently on your knees or cross your arms over your chest. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist to one side, looking over your shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, come back to center. Continue this movement, keeping your hips rooted in the chair. The twist comes from the waist, not your neck. It's a small, gentle movement. Seated twist strengthens the abdominal muscles, improves spinal mobility, and enhances core strength for better posture and balance. After the next twist, come back to center and relax. Next, we'll do sit-to-stand exercises using the chair for support. Scoot forward slightly in your chair so your feet are firmly planted on the floor directly under your knees. Lean forward slightly, bring your nose over your toes. Using the chair for support, inhale, press through your feet, and gently rise to a standing position. Exhale, slowly and with control, lower yourself back down to sit in the chair. Continue this movement and take your time or rest when needed. It's okay to use your hands as much as you need, or if you feel strong, you can keep your hands on your thighs. Sit to stand is a crucial exercise for functional strength, improving leg strength, balance, and independence in daily activities. Return back to the seated position as we prepare for the next exercise. Let's continue to work on the lower body with some leg extensions. During this exercise, please use a range of motion that is comfortable for you. Sit back tall and engage your core. Extend one leg out in front of you. Hold with foot flexed, then gently lower the foot back down. Repeat with the other leg. Inhale, raise. Take a slight pause. Exhale, lower. Continue this movement and feel the engagement of your quadriceps or the front of your thigh. You will also feel the stretch in the back of your thigh. For a deeper stretch, you can also add a gentle lift and lower of the extended leg, or use the range of motion that is comfortable for you. Leg extensions strengthen the quadricep muscles in the front of your thigh. They also support knee health and improves walking stability. Return both feet to the floor and let's prepare for a well-deserved cool down. Come back to a comfortable, tall, seated position. Let's slow down our breath. In this breathing exercise, we will inhale to the count of 4 and exhale to the count of 6. Take a slow, deep inhale through your nose, 2, 3, 4, and exhale through the mouth, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One last time. As you count on your own, focus on the calming effect. Gentle breaths promote relaxation, lowers heart rate, and helps the body recover from exercise. Now, for some gentle shoulder stretches, gently drop one ear towards your shoulder and hold. You should feel a stretch in the opposite side of your neck. Take slow, gentle breaths as you hold, relaxing the shoulders. Slowly lift your head back to center and repeat on the other side. Ear to shoulder and hold. This stretch helps to reduce tension in the neck and shoulders and improves flexibility and range of motion. Let's come back to center and prepare to conclude with today's practice. Bring your hands to your heart center or rest them on your lap. Take one last deep breath in and a long exhale out. Thank you for joining this chair yoga practice. I hope you feel a little more energized, mobile, and relaxed. Remember, you can do these movements anytime you need a quick break or a moment to reconnect with your body. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Congratulations, that's your 1% win for the day. Remember, small habits lead to big changes. If you're feeling stronger, hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tell me in the comments one healthy change you're making this March. See you in the next workout.